Copa America final in Brazil. They end up beating Brazil. They win the trophy after seeing off the last two sides that actually beat them 2 years ago. Colombia beat them in the group stage of the Copa. They came past them on penalties in the semis a few days ago. Brazil beat them in the semis of the 2019 edition, and they have overcome their big rivals in the showpiece this evening. It is a sizable trophy, the America's Cup. It was made in 1916 in Buenos Aires. Made of silver. The wooden base with the plates of the champions countries was added in the late 1970s. And Lionel Messi will have the chance to get his hands on it for the first time very, very shortly. For Argentina, the wait is over. Their first Copa success since 1993, and they've done it in the backyard of their big rivals, Brazil. What a night for the Albiceleste, and Lionel Messi finally has a title with his country. Argentina are the 2021 Copa America champions.